In this video, I'll show you how to change the kill icon in Valorant. If you want your kill icon to look like this, then you're in the right place. So let's look at the steps. Step number 1 over here says, first and foremost, you must log into the game and then the menu as its option can be enabled from anywhere else such as the config files. Okay, so step number 2, once you have logged into the game, head over to the menu and then look for the small gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And after that, it should be at the top right corner once again. After that, just scroll down until you find it. Then once you've located it, click on it. It will take you to the Valorant options and you can find multiple tabs that are enlisted on the top center of your screen named Graphics, Audio and Videos. Now, open the General tab and there you can find the list of options features that are used in the gameplay. These options enable different features of the gameplay that can help you improve your gameplay. So what you're going to do is quite simple. In step number 5 over here, it says moving on. Once you open the general section, scroll down and then find the bottom and look at for the options named show mature content. It should be off by default and from there on you can enable it. Now the last step guys, this one you should be careful with it. It says you'll be notified any immediately changes in the game. This means if at all there's any change in the game, you'll be notified. And once you don't get this notification, it means it hasn't worked. So after that, you can go ahead and restart the game. Once you restart the game, you'll have done it. So that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. We shall meet.